This video is sponsored by Cohen Financial. More on them later.
Turning nothing into something in real estate is a big business. Welcome to the channel where I review and critique every single family home in Beverly Hills in about a 5-minute video. And in today's episode, we're going to review 1274 Lago Vista, Beverly Hills, north of Sunset. Now, you know the drill by now. I review and critique the property on my 10 factors of quality in the first 2 minutes. And then right after that, I will share with you guys how I would have marketed this property differently. And then at the end of the video, I will share with you guys my favorite comp for valuation purposes. How do I know this stuff? I'm 𝐷𝐸𝐿𝐷, a Beverly Hills real estate agent by day, a real estate critic and consultant by night. You got that? So let's get the show started. Location, Beverly Hills north of Sunset, a little too high for me, so it's not a 10, it's a 9, guys. Lot quality. The lot is over 36,000 square feet, but to my eye, it's about 8,000 square foot flat. And then the dimensions are just way off. Look how narrow and thin it is. I have to give it a 2. Lot orientation, east facing, on a quiet street, stepped away from cold water. I'm going to give it an 8. Lot utilization, no frontage. You're literally like on the street. Super small backyard, but very generous side setbacks and side yards. I'm going to give it a 3. Privacy, no one looks into the property. You're so well spaced from your neighbors. I'm going to give it a 10. Views, look, it's city views. It doesn't really have a focal point of downtown or Century City, but it is panoramic, so I'm going to give it a 6. Scale and architectural style. It's designed by Richard Landry, and it's really interesting for Richard to take a swing in the modern department because he's so well known for his design of building these palatial palaces. Now, I have to say, I am not impressed. I mean, you can say he played it safe, but it really lacks any innovation or anything for it to stand out, but the scale is there, and for that reason, I'm going to give it a 6. Layout. Wow factor as soon as you walk in, and the right amount of bedroom in the right places. I really like that. But look how long this property is. It looks like a runway. I mean, if you keep these sliding doors open, you can probably land the airplane right here. I have to give it a 6. Finishes, very well curated, high-end finishes. It's cohesive, it goes. I'm gonna give it another 8. X factor, it's a done house. There's not much room to add square footage or anything to make it better. And as far as an investment value, I don't see it pencil in at the current asking price. This property has also been listed for lease for 420 days at $135,000 a month and no taker so far. Now, if you're planning to make something out of nothing, what I really mean is turning a poop lot to brownies. You have to innovate. You have to do something different to differentiate yourself from other properties. And this property has failed to do that. And for that reason, I'm going to give it a 2. Now, before I tell you the final score, a word from our sponsors, Cohen Financial. Do you know why I use Mark Cohen for my own mortgages? No, it's not because he's the most successful. Yes, he's originated $10 billion worth of loan in the last 10 years, which is great. It's unheard of, but good for him. What I care for is the fact that he doesn't bullshit me. Over the first phone conversation when I call him, he tells me immediately the best available rate in the market for the product that I'm looking for. And when he doesn't have it, he makes an introduction to the bank that it does. I respect that. He always delivers on his promises. Here's his phone number. Give him a call. And also don't forget to thank him for supporting your favorite channel. Okay, the Arvin score is a 60 and that's a D-. Now you're thinking, Arvin, how would have you marketed this property differently? Price. Yes, price is a marketing tool. And this property started off $38 million, then it dropped to $32 million, and now it's at 26.5. I just don't understand who's advising them. Look, I'm all for my clients, sellers, buyers to make money. But if you want to get lucky, you have to do that off market because you're just going to get called out for it on the market. The market is visible to everyone. The time starts ticking. The days on the market starts ticking. And you've been on the market for 489 days and you still haven't sold the property. Price is an important marketing tool, and this property has missed the boat during the 2000 and 2001, one of the biggest booms in real estate to attract the right buyer because it was priced way too high, and it still is today. And you're asking, Arvin, so how much is it really worth? My favorite comp for valuation purposes is 1677 North Doheny, which sold for 22.5. It was on the hillside just like this one, similar brand new construction, similar in size, similar in quality of the finishes. But the Doheny property was in a way better location with way better views. With the help of an expert, you can start from there and adjust so you don't overpay for the property. Now, it's never a bad idea to contact the listing agents. Here's their information. Give them a call. And if you want my expertise, here's my information. You can email me at arvin@arvinhadad.com. Now, if you like this house, you will probably like this house as well. They're kind of similar. And I also have to share with you, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. Real estate analysis is subjective in nature, and I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. In fact, you should go see the property yourself in person. You should review all the information available online. You should contact the city and form your own independent decisions. Now, thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments how I can make my videos better.